Bangladesh is where they make the beans, and then in America we marry the beans.
Now tell them who is Bean. What is Bean?
Bean is a word for cute. Can be used for something small and cute, and that is my wife. Small and cute.
হ্যালো এভরিবডি। তো আজকে একটা রহস্য নিয়ে চলে আসছি, একটা রহস্য উদ্ঘাটন করব। এই যে এত ঠান্ডা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, oh you got your gloves, I did not school. আজকে আমরা কথা বলবো এই যে এত স্নো, এত ঠান্ডা ইউএসএ তে, বাংলাদেশে কেন হয় না, এটা রহস্যটা কি? আজকে আমি একটা রহস্য উদ্ঘাটন করতে চলে আসছি। কেন আমেরিকা এত সাদা, কেন আমেরিকাতে এত এত মানে ঠান্ডা পড়ে, এত স্নো পড়ে কিছু কিছু স্টেটে, আর কিছু কিছু স্টেটে পড়ে না। আর আমাদের বাংলাদেশে মনে হয় না জীবনে কোনোদিন হয়েছে, আমি জানি না, যদি 1000 বছর পূর্বে যদি হয়ে থাকে, আমি হিস্ট্রি কম পড়ি, আমি জানি না। তো আজকে আমি এই বিষয়ে কথা বলবো, এই রহস্যটা উদ্ঘাটন করব। আর আমার সাথে আমাকে হেল্প করবে আমার হাজবেন্ড
Ryan Sinclair.
আর আমি আছি জুয়া আপনাদের সাথে। বেসিকলি হচ্ছে কি, আমি এত বেশি জানি না, সায়েন্স রিলেটেড জিনিসগুলো জানি না, বাট আমার হাজবেন্ড আমাকে হেল্প করবে এগুলা নিয়ে। সো ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু স্টার্ট, লাইক ওয়াই ইট is snowing over here, not in my country?
Yeah. It's snowing here in North America right now, specifically this part of North America, because we are farther away from the planet's equator. The equator is between the North and South poles, is in the middle, and that's the warmest part of the planet. So Bangladesh is closer to the equator. Being the warmest part of the planet is always warmer.
So what is equator?
The equator is like halfway between the North and South Pole.
Where is South Pole?
South Pole is in Antarctica on the bottom. So if you look at a ball, if the Earth was a ball, on the top of the ball is the North Pole.
Yeah.
If the Earth is a ball, and you look at the ball, on the top is the North Pole, and on the bottom is the South Pole. And that line that goes around the middle of the ball, that's the equator.
Okay. Yeah. So, what is equator?
I already said this.
ও আমাকে খুব বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করতেছে ইকুয়েটর কি, আমি এখনো বুঝি নাই। তো আচ্ছা, যেটা বেসিকলি আমি যেটা মনে করেন বুঝতে পারছি না সাধারণ অর্থে, সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে ইকুয়েটর হচ্ছে গিয়ে পৃথিবীর মধ্যে দুইটা ঠান্ডা। সো দ্য নর্থ পোল আর দিস আর লাইক, how do you say, continent?
No, it's the North Pole. All magnets have poles, and all magnets have poles, and the Earth is basically a giant magnet. All magnets have a North Pole and a South Pole, or a positive and a negative. So the North, or the positive on Earth, is at the very north, directional north, cardinal north. The South is at cardinal south, directional south. So if you look at the ball expands this way. The sunlight gets to the middle faster than it gets to this side. Also, the Earth is tilted, so that puts it farther away from the sun too.
Okay. So, আমি কিছু বুঝি নাই, আপনারা কি কিছু বুঝতে পারছেন? So basically you are saying that Bangladesh is in the warmer side of the world, Earth. And that's why there is no snowing in the Bangladesh.
And that's why you get a lot of rain and a lot of heat and no snow.
No snow? So do you think, is there any way we can have snow sometime soon or later or wherever?
No, probably not.
Okay, you remember you was telling me this story that one day Bangladesh will be the coolest part?
It is possible. Earth's magnetic poles are shifting, as they have many times in Earth's history, and scientists have found this out. So right now, as they are shifting, they're going in a funny little direction, and then one day they will probably just land somewhere opposite of where they are now, which could be Bangladesh, which puts us in a tropical region. So Bangladesh would be more like here, and we would be more like Bangladesh.
Okay, gotcha. So this is like maybe after thousands of years later.
It's happening now.
What?
So it could be soon.
We don't
it could
have
be in 1,000 years, or it could be in 50 years.
Oh, maybe. Oh yeah, maybe. Gotcha. 50 years, 100 years, or whatever it is. Yeah. It's already changing. We had like 6 season. It's already changing a lot. So yeah, the nature has its own way to play around.
Yes. Nature is funny.
আমরা এখন আপনাদেরকে একটু এই কতটা বরফ আমাদের জীবনযাত্রা যে কত দুর্বিষহ হয়ে আসে সেটা দেখাবো এখন।
Bangladesh is where they make the beans, and then in America we marry the beans.
Now tell them who is bean. What is bean?
Bean is a word for cute, can be used for something small and cute, and that is my wife. Small and cute. Okay, so this is how the snow piles up everywhere. Look at this snow. Look at this snow. It is flying around, fluffy. That is an entrance to the house down there. We have a little bit of concrete. You can see a few places where feet have been. Normally this would be all grass, a nice green field, but now it is covered in snow. All the toys, all the play set, the wood is all covered in snow. So we have to wait until springtime to use it. Winter is for inside activities. There's a garden over there. Plants can't grow in the snow, not all plants. So we have to wait until summertime to grow our tomatoes. I have heard that in Bangladesh, the villages and cities, they can be flooded under the water. But here we can be snowed in, they call it, flooded in under the snow. Some days there's so much snow that we can't even get our cars or our doors open. And when there's not so much snow, sometimes there's lots of ice, and that can be worse.
We don't like ice.
Nope,
No,
ice
it's
is
okay
bad.
for
I would,
ice.
yep.
No.
I would rather have snow than ice.
ওকে, তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, কারণ অনেক বেশি ঠান্ডা, আমরা ঘরে চলে যাই, বেশি ঠান্ডা আর কোনো মানে লম্বা করতে চাচ্ছি না ভিডিওটা। সবাই ভালো থাকবে।
Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more weather.